Sd.Kfz-9, half-track tractor used by the German army during World War II. It was the largest of the family of German half-track tractors. The Sd.Kfz-9 was designed as a heavy artillery tractor but was rarely used in heavy and heaviest artillery units. It was usually used as an evacuation vehicle for field repair departments. It was sent to tow all, even the heaviest, stuck or damaged vehicles. During the war, as the technology progressed, as tanks grew larger and heavier, these vehicles were dispatched 2 or 3 at the time to tow a single Panther or Tiger. During the campaign in Russia, large road wheels over 90 cm in diameter allowed him to overcome muddy terrain that immobilized other vehicles. The winch, together with the horizontally arranged drum mounted between the bottom of the load box and the frame, was a great help in the evacuation of the vehicles. The tractor was powered by a Maybach HL108 engine, the same as used on the early version of the Panther III and Panther IV tanks. In the 9.1 version, a 6-ton crane Beilstein was mounted on the tractor, and in the 9.2 version, a 10-ton crane Demak.